Good day guys, Nissan Patrol Y62 conversion body kit from 2010 to 2021 look, 2023 even. This is the grille, this is the headlights, connectors. You can see the ballast computer is included here, wire sockets. Okay, LED type of headlights, LED tail lights, trunk tailgate chrome cover, the silver cover, rear bumper, front bumper, all that garnishes inside is included. It's over here. Wire harness, LED fog lamps, all the brackets, reflectors. As you can see, front fenders with vents, trunk tailgate door, spoiler to be transferred there, hood. So everything's in place, guys. It's like like about 100 pieces body kit. It's very big, full set. PP quality bumpers, guys. It's not some kind of cheap polyurethane. So this is high quality pieces. All right, guys, you can see that upper insulator for the fender is also there. Some clips, bolts. All right. That rear step cover is also here. Full package.